Again Karuna Sharma is with you. Hope so for you all are enjoying your lockdown period. As organic name reactions are continued with me, but not by cramming, you have to learn every reaction with proper mechanism and in a very easy method. As you all know, we have completed our 10 name reactions, and today in this cheerful morning I am sharing you with a new video and with a new reaction that is very easy, very interesting and very important reaction, and also you can say your favorite reaction, that is Wurtz reaction. Okay. Now first we see what are the main points of Wurtz reaction. Main points. You should note down in your notebook with me, as organic chemistry has no meaning without practice. Okay. Very first main point for this reaction is, this reaction is only for alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. Second point, reaction takes place in presence of sodium in dry ether. We will discuss what is the role of dry ether in reaction mechanism. Stay connected and note down these main points in your notebook. Third point, product formation. You should focus on this point. Product formation is alkane, and I am telling you alkane in this reaction will be formed only symmetrical alkane. In symmetrical alkane you can say that is alkane having even number of carbon atom. Even number of carbon atom. Next point, CH4 cannot be prepared by this reaction. By Wurtz reaction you cannot prepare methane. If we are going to prepare unsymmetrical alkane, that means if we want to form odd number of carbon atom during this Wurtz reaction mechanism, then low yield will be formed. Low yield of odd number of alkane and with side product. With side product. Of course, Wurtz reaction has a meaningful in only in formation of even number of carbon atom alkane. That means symmetrical alkane yield is proper during this reaction progress. Okay, you can take screenshot for these main points of this reaction, and at the last of the 2 minutes of the video we will discuss questions or query and the questions that asked in IIT or NEET exam. Now we are going to discuss reaction mechanism. Reaction mechanism we will discuss step by step and very easy reaction. In many of the books, free radical reaction mechanism is there, and ionic mechanism you can also share. This is reaction mechanism. First we see this is sodium. Sodium will ionize and it will convert into sodium cation with removal of electron. Now in this step question arises, how sodium converted into Na positive. Here we are taking here ether as a solvent. Ether, you all know, this is aprotic solvent. Aprotic. Here you could not take alcohol mechanism, we will discuss the role of ether and discuss the role of dry ether here. This is ether. Ether you can take, this is ROR, ether OR. Sodium, it will stabilizes by the electronegative oxygen atom, and here in solution form it will release solvation energy. Solvation energy. This energy is consumed by sodium atom and it will ionize into the sodium cation. That means to convert sodium into sodium cation, we need ionization energy. Clear to all? This is our very first step, and I have discussed you how sodium is converted into Na positive. This solvation energy is consumed by the sodium and it will convert it into Na positive ion. Now, simple reaction, that is Rx alkyl halide. This is the reaction of alkyl halide in presence of sodium. 2 molecules of alkyl halide, dry ether, removal of NaX, 2 NaX plus formation of RR. This is your simple reaction. First we see simple reaction and then we see how this Rx converted into RR by reaction mechanism. Here I am taking simple example, that is Rx, as halogen is more electronegative than that of carbon, formation of R positive plus X negative. As X is more electronegative than carbon, generation of this one, and this R plus will attract this electron and generation of R free radical. In place of R you can take CH3. You can take CH3. If you take CH3, formation of methyl radical here. CH3, sorry for that, CH3 free radical combined with another CH3 free radical to generate CH3. That means ethane. In this way, free radical mechanism takes place. Free radical mechanism takes place to form ethane during Wurtz reaction. This is your Rx alkyl halide, R positive, X negative. R positive, that means this way, you can represent this one here. This is positive. It will abstract electron that is liberated by sodium and generation of free radical species. Free radical combined with another free radical and generation of our desired molecule, that is ethane. You can see here there are 2 carbon atoms. That means even number of carbon atoms are formed during this reaction progress. Okay. You can easily see from reactant and product molecule. That means I have taken Rx and formation of 2 carbon atoms here. Okay. Ionic mechanism is also there for this reaction. In ionic mechanism, first step is very simple. Sodium, it will convert into sodium positive plus electron, and Rx, it will convert it into R positive plus X negative. That means halogen, which is more electronegative as compared to R, and formation of halide ion as well as R positive, that is cation and anion is formed during this reaction. Okay. Next is this R positive will abstract electron. This one here, you can take 2 sodium molecule, 2 Na and 2 electron. If it take 2 electron, positive ion and one electron will remain on this system, and this R negative, that is ionic mechanism, is here. React with this one, another RX molecule, alkyl halide molecule, and formation of RR plus X negative. You can easily see in this reaction progress, 2 X negative are liberated and alkane is formed, and these X negative combined with the sodium ion, that means 2Na positive plus 2X negative, generation of 2NaX. Here in this step you can see this is nucleophilic substitution step, substitution reaction. Okay, I have explained both mechanism, free radical as well as ionic mechanism, ionic or you can say anionic mechanism, anionic mechanism. Okay, hope so far you have cleared both of these two, and last but not least, I am giving you some problem. You should try at your own, and if you are feeling any doubt, you can comment me in comment section. First you have to write product for this, C2H5Cl, sodium in dry ether. You have to make product by reaction mechanism, and you have to follow free radical mechanism in this reaction, free radical. Okay, first query is this, and second problem, which molecule undergo Wurtz reaction. Okay, there may be 2 or more molecules. I am writing here a number of molecules, and you should comment me which molecule undergoes Wurtz reaction and why. This is most important, and why. Okay, you should write suitable product. This is Cl, this is your 4-membered ring. Next molecule, this is Cl, and this is also Cl. Next molecule, this is Cl, and this is Br. Another next molecule, this is your Cl, and another molecule, last one, this is Cl. This is Cl. Out of these 5 molecules, which will undergo Wurtz reaction, and if one molecule undergoes Wurtz reaction, you should write mechanism, and you should comment me why this particular molecule undergoes Wurtz reaction. Okay, hope so far you are getting all main points for the Wurtz reaction, and reaction mechanism is very simple. You can follow free radical mechanism either or anionic mechanism. It's based on your own choice. Okay, now it's time to get another reaction in our next video. Okay, thank you very much.